All right. So Tanya and Summer, we have a how to pronounce this word. Like for example, because in French language, first I will explain. You already have done the same pattern, right? Because for Tanya, there's a first day, okay? So I will repeat the same session which you have done already done, right? One, d'accord?
Okay.
Why?
Mhm.
So,
Yes.
uh, Tanya, how to pronounce this word Parler?
Parley.
Very good. C'est très bien. So it means like a ear sound is a in French, right? Okay, that's fine. I just want to calculate about level. That's fine. Do you know how to pronounce this word, Tanya? I just want to see how to pronounce this word.
Voiture.
Voiture. C'est très bien. D'accord. Why? Okay. So let's wrap up as soon as possible. So Tanya, I will explain to you how to speak in present tense then, right? Okay, like you have done a bit portion of French. So today let's start with the present tense. Okay. So in French language, basically in French language, we have three type of verbs. Because obviously, why we start from the verbs? Because obviously verb is very important, right? Do you know, Tanya, how many types of verb we have in French? We have three type of verbs in French. Repeat after me. We have three
Okay.
type of verbs in French. C'est clair? D'accord? Why?
Oh, oui, c'est bien.
C'est bien. So tell me,
Oui.
how many type of verbs in French? Three type of
Three
verbs.
times.
See the verbs in French. Either because we have ending, ending of the verb, right? Either my verb will end from er, either my French verb will end from ir, or either it will end from re. Say clear. So basically,
Okay.
in French language, we have three type of verbs. Either my verb end from er, either my verb end from ir, or either it will end from re. Say Claire, tell me yes and no. Why? Clear? Now, par exemple, Tanya, what is the difference? Now, what is this? Yes. Now, répétez après moi, parler. Répétez après moi, Tanya, parler. Tanya, you there?
Yes, yes.
Repeat after me then. Répétez après moi, parler.
Okay. Parley.
Okay? Okay? Parler
Okay.
is to speak. Répétez après moi, parler. So parler
Okay.
is to speak. So this is my er ending verb. Claire? C'est bien?
Okay.
D'accord? Now, we have a verb choisir. Répétez après moi. Choisir. Choisir is
Choisir.
my verb to choose. Now, over here, my verb is ending from er. C'est clair? My verb is ending from ir.
Mm,
C'est clair? And
yeah.
we have verb descendre. Répétez après moi. Tanya. While
Descendre.
I am choosing this pattern, something like an intensive pattern, okay? Why? Because I have calculated over here, like you have done a bit something about a bit level in French. I would say maybe an A1. I am not sure for this, but yes, let's pick up some intensive pattern. If you will have a doubt, you can raise your doubt. C'est clair? D'accord? Why? So, Tanya, mademoiselle, répétez après moi. In French language, we have three type of verb. One is ending from er. For example, parler is to speak. C'est clair? D'accord?
Yeah.
Why? The next is ending from ir, which is choisir. Répétez après moi. Choisir. Choisir is to choose. C'est clair? C'est
Yeah.
clair, Summer? Why?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. And we have a next verb is ending from re. So ear ending verb, ir ending verb, and re ending verb. Descendre. Répétez après moi, Tania. Descendre. Descendre is to
Descendre.
get down. C'est clair.
Okay.
C'est clair.
Oui.
D'accord? Why? So, in French language, we have a formula basically. In French language, we have formula. Clear? What formula we have? Now, repte apre moi. If my verb is ending from er, repte apre moi, because today I will explain to you the formula of these verbs. If my verb, for example, we have verb parler. Clear? So if my verb is ending from er, clear? So we have a formula. What formula we have? It is just you to repeat after me, and I will explain to you what are those. Say, Claire, Tanya, why?
Because
Now, E, E, S, E, répétez après moi, E, E, S, E, O, N, S,
yes,
E, Z, E, N, T. Now, répétez après moi. The formula of ER ending verb. Répétez après moi, repeat after me. The formula of ER ending verb is E, E, S, E. Repeat it, please. Tanya, repeat करो इसको, please. E, E, S, E,
yes, O N
O, N,
S
S, E, Z, E, N, T.
and
Why? Now, what is this? Now, for example, we have verb parler. Claire, as a rule, as a rule, you have to eliminate ending. You have to delete ending of er. That's a rule. And once you will delete er, you have to insert the formula of this e. Say, Claire, why? The next is what? Es, Claire, the code, why? The next is e. Is it clear to you, Tanya?
yes, yes,
The next is ONS. The next is EZ. And the next is ENT. Say, Claire, the code, why? Is it clear to you, Tanya?
yes,
Why?
it's clear.
Now,
So in all the work it will be used like this or just in this part?
no, I will explain to you. We have now, for example, we have verb jouer. Claire, jouer. Jouer is to play. Claire. Now my verb is ending from er. Say, Claire. My verb is ending from er. Claire. Again, yes. That is with every er verb. 1 second here. I'm just coming.
Okay.
All right. Sure. So er ending verb, right? What I will do with this? Yes, you are right, Tanya. I have to eliminate er with every er ending verb. You know, obviously, every demo we have exception also, but that is only for 5 and 6%. Clear? So what you will do? You have to eliminate er and insert e. Say, Claire. The code. Why? Insert es. Say, Claire, Tanya. Why? Insert e. Say, Claire. Is it clear to you, Tanya?
Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Okay.
Ez and ent. Tell me yes or no. Say, Claire.
Yes, it's clear.
Say, Claire. Now, for example,
Yes, it,
nous avons le verb cuisiner. Why cuisiner? Because UI sound is V in French. UI sound is V in French. Claire? D'accord? Now, if we have verb cuisiner, okay,
mm,
so what is the formula about cuisiner? You have to insert ER, sorry, you have to eliminate ER and insert
yeah,
E.
E,
Say, Claire. Why?
cuisine, ES.
Very good. Exactement. C'est très bien. Then say, Claire. Why? And ONS. Say, Claire.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then we have
Cuisine, EZ,
Claire. Why? And
cuisine,
say,
ENT.
Claire. Is it clear to you? Now you will
Yes.
think forward. Now, what is this going on? Now, what is this? I understand cuisine is my verb to cook, but why this is the formula over here? Now I will explain to you. Now, first repeat after me. I is to je, because now I will explain to you, you know, the subject, how to say subject, you know. I is to je, Claire. Why?
Okay.
You
Mm,
is to tu. whenever you have you informal, that is tu. Say Claire, why?
Okay.
So répétez après moi. I, we called as je in French. Répétez après moi. I, we called as je in French. Claire?
Okay.
Okay. You, we called as tu in French. Claire? Now we
Okay.
have he and she. Claire? He we called as il and she we called as elle. Say Claire.
Okay.
D'accord? Why? So répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. I is to je. You
I.
informal. I is to je. You informal. We have tu. Claire.
Okay.
He
Mm.
is to il and she is to elle. Say Claire. Why?
Yeah.
Now we. We is to nous. We called as nous. Claire.
Okay.
Now we
Okay.
have you again. My that you we called as informal you, and that you we called as a formal you, and that we called as vous. C'est clair. So répétez après moi. I is to je. Répétez après moi. I is to je.
Yes. Yes.
You informal we have tu. Claire.
Mm. Mm.
He is to il, and she is to elle. Claire. D'accord.
Mm.
Now we have nous. You, we have vous, and now we have il and elle. Claire. Now, for example, what is in English? If we have boy, plural, boys, girl, girls. Claire. The same in French also. If we have a lot of il, I can say s. If a lot of girls, I can say L with S, but S would not get pronounced, Tanya. Say Claire.
Okay.
Because the
Okay.
consonant ending of S will not get pronounced. For this reason, it's not nos, that is no. C'est clair. D'accord? So now, répétez après moi. I is to je. Répétez après moi. Je. Claire?
Yeah.
Why? And you is to tu. Say Claire. Why? Okay?
Okay.
Say Claire. He is to il and she is to elle. Claire?
L. Yeah.
We is to nous and you. We have vous
Mm.
formal. Vous
Yeah.
formal. Tu is informal you and vous is a formal you. And we have il and elle, c'est la pluriel. C'est clair? Why?
Ouais.
Vous comprenez? You understand?
Oui, je
Understand?
comprends.
Oui? Vous comprenez?
Oui.
Okay, c'est très
Oui.
bien. Right. So let me rub this. All right. Now, so for example, we have a verb trouver. We have a verb trouver. Claire? Now, trouver is my verb to find. Say Claire, Tanya, trouver. Now, for example, if I want to
Mm.
conjugate my trouver verb with I find, Claire,
Mhm.
you find, say Claire, tell me yes or no. He,
Yes.
she finds, say Claire. Therefore, why?
Okay.
We find, say Claire.
Mm.
You find in terms of formal, Claire, and they find. Now, what I will do? What is the formula of E ending verb? E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Say Claire, Bhavna. Oh, sorry, Tanya. Say Claire. Samar. Say Bia. Why?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as I explained to you, the formula of ER ending verb is what? E, ES,
Eliminate.
E. Say Claire. Why?
Yeah.
ONS, EZ, ENT. Now,
Mhm.
we have up to way. Now, as a rule, I have to eliminate ER. So, I left with
Mhm.
what? TROUV.
Yeah.
So, over here, I is to je. So that E ending, we always apply with je. So what is I left with? TROUV, TROUV. but I have to insert E at the end. Say Claire, because that's a rule. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you, Tanya?
Yeah, it's clear.
My you informal is stew, but that we have an ending of es, so I will pick TROUV and I will insert es. Say Claire. Why? D'accord.
Mm,
Then
mm,
we have he, il, she, elle. Claire. D'accord. Why?
okay.
What I will do? I will take TROUV from the top, TROUV, and I will
Mm,
insert E at the end. Say Claire, because that's the ending I'm telling to you, because this is the rule in French language. In case of ER ending verb, Tanya, either, okay,
mm,
if my verb is ending from ER, so the formula of ESE, now we have V, Claire. Now
mm,
V we called as nu, say Claire, say bien. Why? The formula of V is what? ONS. So I
mm,
will pick TROUV. Say Claire. Why?
okay.
And I will set a formula of ONS. Claire. Why?
Yeah, clear.
D'accord. Why?
Yeah.
Now we have you. We call it VU formal, and I will pick TROUV, and EZ at the end. Say Claire. Now, Bhavna, sorry, Tanya, it is very important to
Mm,
understand my EZ sound is A in French. Repeat after me. EZ sound is A in French.
okay.
ER
Okay.
sound is A in French. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yes. Right.
Okay. Now we have they find Claire. Now they is what? It can be ILS ill and ELLESL, but I have to pick TROUV from the top. Okay. And I will insert the formula of ENT. Now, Tanya, it is very important to understand if you have a consonant ending that would be silent in French language. Now, par exemple, I will explain to you how to pronounce the word, right? Now, for example, how to pronounce this. E sound is in French. E sound is a,
Uh,
a. So, je trouve, je trouve. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. My E sound is in French. C'est clair.
yeah, clear.
Tanya, pen down, please. It is very important to understand my E sound is C'est clair. For this
Yeah.
reason, it's je trouve is to I find. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Yeah, it's clear.
Tu trouve. I cannot say trouves. No, because S would be silent. C'est clair.
Yeah,
Why? Because if we have a consonant ending, that would be silent. So tu trouves. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
yeah.
Now, elle trouve, it means he, she finds. Claire. Nous trouvons. Nous trouvons. Why trouvons? Because ON sound. Mademoiselle, Tanya, my ON sound is on. Pen down, please. ON sound is on. On. Répétez après moi. On. C'est clair. On. C'est clair.
Um,
So that
yeah.
ON sound is on. So nous trouvons. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Clear. Yeah.
C'est clair.
Clear, clear.
Now, we have a sound of EZ, right? As I explained to you, my EZ sound is A. So, vous trouvez, clair, and
Mm,
elle trouve. Why? Because E sound is A and NG would be silent.
mm,
Elle trouve. Say clair. Tell me yes or no.
clear.
Why? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, for example. Now, for example, mademoiselle, we have a verb annuler. Répétez après moi. Annuler. Repeat after me, s'il vous plaît. Annuler. Repeat it, please.
And
Annuler
clear.
is my verb to cancel.
Okay.
Annuler is my verb to cancel. Répétez après moi. Annule. Repeat it, please. Annule. Repeat after me, s'il vous plaît. Annule. Annule is my verb to cancel. C'est clair. Why? Now, par exemple, mademoiselle, par exemple, you want to conjugate the verb annule. What you will do? You have to eliminate er. Claire. Now, je. Claire. What is the formula of er ending verb, mademoiselle? E.
Eliminate ER.
Exactement. Er eliminate करके EESE, ONS, EZ and ENT. Say Claire.
Yeah.
Claire. Now, for example, I will pen down annule. I can do like this, Claire, because I have to eliminate ER, Claire, mademoiselle, and I have to insert E at the end. Say Claire. Why?
Right.
But one thing you have to understand, mademoiselle, very important. If
Okay.
your word is ending from a vowel, say Claire. Why? If your word is ending from a vowel, and the next say le voyelle, vowel. Say Claire.
Okay.
If my word, c'est le mot qui termine avec les consonants. Now, for example, if your word is ending from vowel, right? Very important to understand this is a concept, right? C'est la
Yes.
notion. If my verb is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel. So over here we have two vowels together, Claire. If my word is ending from a vowel and the next word is starting from a vowel, in that case I have to eliminate first vowel. Say Claire, tell me yes or no.
There.
And I have to insert l'apostrophe. L'apostrophe. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Why? So if mademoiselle, if your two vowels together, like ending from a vowel and the next word is starting from a vowel, first vowel we have to eliminate and it will convert it into l'apostrophe. Say Claire. Why?
Okay.
Why? Now, if your word is ending from a consonant, if your word is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, in that case we have to combine the sound. Say Claire. Why?
Because they are not both. The both are not the vowels.
Yes. If my
Yeah.
verb, if my word is ending from a consonant and the next word is starting from a vowel, I have to combine the sound. So I can say Janul because I will combine the sound. Janul. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Claire. Right.
So annule is to cancel. If I will say Janul, that is I cancel. Say Claire. Why? Now,
Wait.
if you will say you cancel, informal, tu annule. Say Claire. Why? He, she cancel, but you will say elle annule. Say Claire. Why?
Wait.
Nous a now. What is this? Nous a.
Okay. Nusa. Nulo.
Why nous a? Nous a. I'm saying nous a. Why? Why?
Because the ending
Is
word of is not a
we have a
vowel.
consonant ending
Yeah.
and a vowel starting. So if we have a consonant ending, mademoiselle, and a vowel starting, we have to combine the sound. That is nous annulons. C'est clair. Nous annulons. C'est clair. Why? Nous annulons. I can say nous annulons. No. I will say nous annulons. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yeah,
Mademoiselle.
it's
Why? Now.
because as vowel.
Yes. Now we have who. Claire. Now again. With who we have a EZ ending, right? I will say vous annulez, EZ. Vous annulez. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Vous annulez, that is vous annulez, you cancel in terms of formal. Clear? Now, il, el, ent ending, right? Over here we have ent ending, but over here I will say il, el, zanul, za. Now you came to know, Mademoiselle Tanya, like if you have a vowel, two vowel together, one will eliminate and will convert it into the apostrophe. Clear? But if you have a consonant ending and the vowel starting, what you have to do is you have to combine the sound. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Clear.
Say Claire. Why? Okay. Now, for example, Mademoiselle, if I will give you some verb, some words, like for example, if I'll give you the verb of any verb, like asapte. If your verb, for example, I'll give one verb, asapte. Accepte is to accept. Say Claire. Now, can you conjugate accepte verb with I accept, you accept? Can you do that? Yes, you can do that. What you will do? Je, you have to eliminate er. And with the formula of e-running verb, tell me. My first with e, Claire. Why, mademoiselle? E, but. Over here we have two vowel, one will eliminate, and I will say consonant and vowel together sound jasap. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Why?
Clear.
You asap. Claire. Il, el, asap. Say Claire. Nu, za. Very important. Why za? Because we have to combine the sound. Nu, za, sapton. Say Claire. Why? Nous a sapton. C'est clair. Why? Vous a sapté. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no, mademoiselle. Il, elle, zasap. Tell me yes and no, mademoiselle. Is it clear to you?
Yes, clear.
Why? Is it clear to you? Now, these we have a lot of verb basically of lot of verbs I will explain to you. Like for example, we have verb aimer. Repte après moi. Aimer. So aimer is my verb to like.
Okay.
Aimer is my verb to like. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Why? So, what is the formula of e-ending verb? Again, E-E-S-E. So, je, am. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Say Claire. Now, over here we have two vowel. So, one is we called as now j'aime. Répétez après moi, mademoiselle. J'aime. J'aime is to like. Is it clear to you? I like. Aimer is to like, so j'aime is to I like. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? J'aime is to j'aime. I like. If I say I like, that is j'aime. Say Claire. Why? Tu aimes. Say Claire. Mademoiselle. C'est bien. Vous comprenez, mademoiselle? Why? C'est clair?
Oui.
Ok. Il, elle, aime. C'est clair. Nous aimons. Répétez après moi. Nous aimons. 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 Nous aimons. S-A combine. C'est clair.
Clear.
Vous aimez. C'est clair. And
Yeah.
il, elle, aime. C'est clair. Now répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Let's go. Please repeat it, please. Very important. Repeat it, please. Mhm. Repeat it, please. J'aime. Repeat it, please, Tanya. Repeat karo, please.
J'aime.
Uh-huh.
Well,
Uh-huh.
il, elle aime.
Very good.
Nous aimons.
Mhm.
Vous aimez. Ils, elles ilzeme or elzeme.
अब देखो is. Okay, I will explain to you. Nous aimons, vous aimez, il, zem. C'est clair, Samar? Il, zem. C'est bien?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why? Is it clear to you? Why? Now, for example, mademoiselle, if I will give you the verb of commander, répétez après moi. Commander.
Commande.
Why commander? Because an sound is on. Pen down in your notepad. On. Commander. Claire,
Okay.
répétez après moi. Commander. C'est clair.
Commande.
So commander is my verb to order. Commander is my verb to order. C'est clair. Commander. C'est clair. Now what you will do? Tell me, mademoiselle, what you will do? You have to eliminate er. So what you will do? Je commande,
Command.
Claire, tu. So these
Command.
are the very important verb. Commande, Claire, tu, commande.
Command.
Very good.
Yes.
Il, elle, commande, Claire. Why? Nous
Command.
commandons, Claire.
Yeah.
Vous
Command.
commandez, c'est Claire. And il, elle, commande. Now tell me, mademoiselle, I would say, Tanya, demander. Répétez après moi. Demander. Demander is to request. Répétez après moi. The commander is to order and demander is to request. C'est clair?
Very clear.
Is it clear to you? Demander. Demander is to request. So how to conjugate demander verb? Tell me. You please conjugate in a notepad and send it back to me in my WhatsApp. And repeat and tell me how to conjugate demander. Tell me.
To demand.
Very good. Uh-huh.
To demand.
Uh-huh.
Avec il or elle demand.
Very good. C'est très bien.
Demandons.
Uh-huh.
Vous demandez.
Uh-huh. C'est très bien.
Ils or else demand.
Il, elle, demande. C'est clair? Why?
But
Is it clear to you?
yeah.
Now, mademoiselle, I will give you lot of er ending verbs, which is very, very important, and you have to do practice for these verbs. Because these are the verbs wherein because these are the TOEFL module which we are doing. In TOEFL, we have to do mingle ourselves with a lot of verbs, right? Now, répétez après moi. Accepter is to accept. Répétez après moi. And the conjugation is same, like we are doing the conjugation, right? So now,
Okay.
what would be your task? Now, your first task is you have to submit your assignment. What? You have to conjugate all these verbs in ER form. C'est clair? Why? So now, répétez après moi. Accepter. Répétez après moi. Accepter.
Accepter.
Adorer. Répétez après moi. Adorer. Aimer. Aimer. Annuler. Répétez après moi.
Annuler.
Annuler is to cancel. Apporter. Répétez après moi. Yes, these are the very important verbs which you have to understand. Apporter is to bring. Répétez après moi. Attraper. Répétez après moi. Attraper.
Attraper.
Attraper is to catch. Claire. Speak after me. Bavarder.
Bavarder.
Bavarder is to chat. Casser. Répétez après moi. Casser. Casser is to break. Chanter. Chanter. Chanter is to sing. Chercher. Chercher is to look for and to search. Chercher. Claire? Commander. Répétez après moi. Commander. Commander is to order. Now répétez après moi. Commencer. Repeat it please. Commencer is to begin. Couper. Couper
Okay.
is to cut. C'est clair.
Mhm.
Danser. Répétez après moi. Danser.
That's it.
Danser is to dance. Claire.
Mhm.
Demander. Répétez après moi. Demander. Demander is to ask and to request. C'est clair. Why? Dessiner. Répétez après moi. Dessiner. Dessiner is to draw. C'est clair. To draw. To draw. You know, to draw something that is
Yeah, yeah.
dessiner. Claire.
Mhm.
Détester. Répétez après moi. Détester. Détester is
That's
to
it.
hate. C'est
Okay.
clair. Why? Donner. Donner is my verb to give. Is it clear to you? Donner. Claire. Donner is my verb to give. C'est clair, mademoiselle?
Yeah.
Écouter. Répétez après moi. Écouter. Écouter is
Écouter.
to listen. C'est clair.
Mhm.
Écouter. Emprunter. Répétez après moi. Emprunter.
Emprunter.
Emprunter is to borrow. Now these are the verb, mademoiselle et monsieur. Mademoiselle uh, Tanya et monsieur Samar. These are the
Yes.
verb pattern
Mm-hmm.
basically. Because if you have the verb, then only you can speak the language. Clear? Is it clear to you? Now,
Yes.
emprunter is to borrow.
Mhm.
Enlever, enlever is to remove. Répétez après moi. Enlever. Répétez après moi. Enlever. Répétez après moi. Enlever.
Enlever.
Étudier. Répétez après moi. Étudier
Étudier.
is to study. Claire? Exprimer. Exprimer is to express. C'est clair. Why?
Yeah.
Fermer. Fermer is to close. Répétez après moi.
Mhm.
Fermer. Fermer is to
Yeah.
close. Now, gagner. Répétez après moi. Gagner.